Hello everyone. I call this presentation The Art of Simplicity. First of all, let me talk to you about my hobbies and interests. I love art. I usually draw in my free time. I also love traveling. I love road trips and I love traveling to different places and learning different cultures. I also love learning different languages because I believe that language is the most important factor in culture. Now, let me talk to you about my accomplishment and award. I was placed fourth place in a Latin Forum competition, and I also earned a Bachelor of Science degree at the University of Central Florida. So, what do I expect from this course? For personal goals, I want to explore my personal interests, strengths, and values. I want to link those personal interests, strengths, and value to prepare myself good educational goals and career goals. Well, online learning has their own advantages and disadvantages. For advantages, I can access online courses anytime and anywhere. I also have a chance to practice self-discipline. Disadvantages is hard for me to reach help from my instructors and classmates. Also, I do not pay as much attention as I should from learning online.